Welcome to our overview of the benefits of enrolling a brand in Amazon Brand Registry. Amazon Brand Registry to help you protect and grow your brand in the Amazon store. Enrolling in Brand Registry involves a few basic requirements, namely a trademark and a brand name or logo that's permanently affixed to your products or packaging. It can also take time to complete the enrollment process, but we recommend enrollment to all eligible brands because of the series of benefits it provides. Let's review each type of benefit that Brand Registry enrollment unlocks, starting with listing creation and management. There are millions of product detail pages in the Amazon store, many of them shared by multiple sellers. But if a product belongs to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry, only 3 types of sellers can create its product detail page using our standard listing processes: the original rights owner who enrolled the brand, other sellers internal to the brand, and resellers who've been associated with the brand. Any updates that these 3 types of sellers suggest to the brand's existing product detail pages are also given preference over suggestions from other sellers. Enrolled brands also enjoy layers of added protection while selling in the Amazon store. Those protections help preserve the trust you've worked hard to establish with your customers. The first layer of protection an enrolled brand enjoys is the trademark they submit to Brand Registry. Once that trademark is active and registered, it provides the rights owner with legal protections for their brand name or logo and makes unauthorized uses a violation of their IP. The next layer of protection for an enrolled brand is the machine learning and detection technologies Amazon uses to combat IP violations. Those protections are powered by the trademarks and other key data points a brand submits to Brand Registry. The more information submitted, the better equipped Amazon is to remove and prevent counterfeits and other forms of infringement. As an added layer of protection, we also give enrolled brands access to a specialized reporting tool. Report a Violation allows you and those you identify as registered agents to search the Amazon store using text or images. If you identify suspected infringement against your IP, you can use the tool to submit a report to Amazon. We use those reports to resolve violations and follow up with bad actors. And each verified report helps strengthen our automated protections. If an enrolled brand wants to level up protection for their IP and products, they can also participate in 3 additional Amazon programs: Transparency, Project Zero, and the Counterfeit Crimes Unit. Transparency is Amazon's product serialization service and is available to all enrolled brands that have GTINs, or Global Trade Item Numbers, associated with their products. Transparency allows you to apply unique 2D barcodes to every unit you manufacture. Those barcodes identify units as authentic and help prevent counterfeits from ever reaching customers. They can also lead to higher customer ratings and increased sales. When you enroll in Transparency, we put a badge on each of your product detail pages too, so you can highlight your efforts to protect customers. Project Zero is a program enrolled brands use to remove counterfeit listings immediately without the need to contact Amazon. You become eligible to enroll in Project Zero by submitting reports consistently through Report a Violation with a high acceptance rate. Each removal you submit helps bring counterfeits to zero in the Amazon store and drives even more automated protection for your brand. Finally, the Counterfeit Crimes Unit, or CCU, is a specialized global team at Amazon that works with brands to build cases against counterfeiters and other criminals. Brands enrolled in Brand Registry can work with CCU if they've identified counterfeits of their products in the Amazon store and are ready to pursue legal action. CCU conducts an investigation and can refer a case to law enforcement and pursue litigation. By doing so, CCU helps break up counterfeit networks, reclaim illicit funds, and secure customer trust for brands across the Amazon store. The last, and maybe the most exciting, type of benefit that enrolled brands enjoy is the eligibility to activate additional Amazon selling tools. Whether you're looking to build brand loyalty, grow your audience, or inform your strategy, we have tools that can help your brand grow and reach new customers. You can extend the eligibility to activate tools to other sellers too. A+ content and stores are tools that help enhance a brand's footprint in the Amazon store. A+ content is something you add to listings in the form of enhanced images, product comparison charts, and other modules. It gives customers more reasons to engage with your products and more information to make purchasing decisions. A store is a dedicated digital space you can build for your brand in the greater Amazon store. It's an opportunity to tell your brand's story, build a relationship with customers, and give them a central hub to follow you and explore your products. If an enrolled brand wants to optimize their content in the Amazon store, they can use the Manager Experiments tool, or MYE. Experiments let you compare two versions of listing content so you can see which performs better. Test product titles, main images, bullet points, product descriptions, or A+ content. Then publish the winning version. In some cases, you can also have winning content auto-published. Sponsored Brands is an advertising solution just for enrolled brands. It's similar to the sponsored products ads you may have already seen in the Amazon store, but gives brands the ability to feature multiple products or to use a video that shows their items in action. Each ad helps drive traffic to your Amazon store. Enrolled brands can also use tools like Subscribe and Save and virtual bundles to make it easier for customers to purchase multiple products. With Subscribe and Save, customers have the option to create automated repeat orders, saving them time and money while also building brand loyalty. And with virtual bundles, you help customers buy different products in your FBA inventory at the same time, without the need to resort or repackage your units. Enrolled brands can also activate brand analytics to track customer searches and purchasing trends. They can use Amazon Vine to help generate customer reviews for their products. They can also take advantage of Amazon's brand referral bonus, which gives them a credit for driving traffic to their own Amazon listings from external marketing. And they can use Manage Your Customer Engagement, or MYCE, to create and send email campaigns to customers who follow their brand in the Amazon store. The more selling benefits you activate, the more opportunities you create for your brand to grow and succeed. You can review each one on the Build Your Brand page in Seller Central. Hover over Brands in the main menu, click Build Your Brand, then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can also use Build Your Brand to track announcements and discover strategies for combining benefits. Ready to start enjoying the benefits of Brand Registry? Review requirements and start the enrollment process by visiting brandservices.amazon.com.
Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.